When it comes to doing something for people's health, it is also about supporting those who put all their efforts into it every day. We have set ourselves the task of doing exactly this, and we give our best every day. Since 1982, our brand has been standing for digitalization and innovative system solutions in cardiopulmonary diagnostics. We use this experience to make our products even more efficient, precise, and user-friendly. We continually develop ourselves and thus support those helping all of us. Produced in Ottobrunn near Munich, our ideas provide for more safety in diagnostics worldwide. And to maintain this status, we continue to work for those who do everything in their power for health day by day. Customed, excellence in diagnostics.